Your successful trading blueprint for 2024. Now you hear these titles, you hear these words probably thrown around a lot. And let's break it down very simply and very logically and very openly. Most have an agenda when they say that. And I like to think that I don't have one coming into this video. All I want to do is provide enough value for you to actually make the steps necessary to find success. First of all, I'd say you want to start with reflecting on what you've done already. What have you done in 2023, 2022, 2021, no matter where you started your trading journey? If it was 1 year ago, 6 months ago, or 10 years ago. Reflect on what you've done in that time. How much progress have you made? Where did you find that progress? And also, where have you been stagnant and sort of slowed down or been complacent? They're the changes first that you need to observe and see to be able to then address those and be aware of them. But in terms of the blueprint, the best foundation you can start with is understanding what resonates with you. In terms of your technical ability, find the strategy that works for you. Everyone can sit there and say ICT or smart money or this particular retail pattern or this particular indicator. That's normally where the agenda comes in. And like I said, I'm not trying to come here with an agenda or to say this strategy is the best and this is the one to follow. All I will say is you need to find a strategy, find a edge. That might take some time. Take your time. And that's a very important factor as well in terms of your success within 2024. Stop rushing. Stop assuming within a month, 2 months, or 1 quarter, 2 quarters, you need to be successful. Let go of the need to be successful and focus on what it takes to be successful. And what does it take? It takes action. It takes patience. Now, find that strategy and edge that works for you. Be ready to take the time to go into detail with that edge. Go into further lessons with that edge. Go all in with that edge. Collect the data necessary. Start building the experience that you need to see progress. Now, you give enough time to that edge and you follow that edge correctly, you will start to see results. Now, from here, the best advice I would give is to go to a small live account. You can go demo. The only issue with demo is that you don't have that psychology. It doesn't feel real. And so many people, unfortunately, trick themselves into believing the results they're seeing on demo is going to replicate to the live account. So that's why I would say go small live account, whatever that is to you. $50, $20, $100, $500, $1,000, whatever it is to you, no problem. Again, obviously what you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, with trading, obviously anything that goes in is at risk. And this is the test to yourself. When it's small, will you take it seriously? Will you still treat it as a professional? Most won't. Most will start trying to flip that money. And then that is a clear indication you're not ready to do any further steps until that is addressed and you understand why are you trying to rush. And again, it comes down to time horizon. If you treat it correctly, however, and you trade correctly for a month, 2 months, 3 months, while trading that small capital and making some form of consistent return with your edge and being disciplined, now you are prepared to take the next step. Whether that's increasing your personal account or whether it's time to now step into the evaluation firms because you have proven to yourself that you have the patience, the discipline, and now the skill set ready to take on an evaluation firm and to get funded capital. And then that would be the next step. Whether it's increasing your capital and starting to compound, or whether it's time to go to an evaluation firm to get funded so you can scale that capital at a faster pace. Regardless though, do not rush. Have that strong foundation. Understand your weaknesses. Address those weaknesses. Have your edge and strategy. And then start to build your data and your experience. Let me know your thoughts on the blueprint. What is your blueprint? If it has any extra steps or maybe simpler steps and less steps, let me know in the comments below. But hit subscribe, and until next time, take care.